Hi, hi everyone. Welcome today on Friday, December the 18th, 2020. We have here only two regular Sudokus. Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. There's also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 8 of them, and yeah, this today is the fourth day in the lockdown. So the mood of solving Sudokus is a little bit yeah, different than the other days. First, the Sudoku Light. This one will be number 2030. Yes, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. I can see in each big square there are four printed digits. So 9 times 4 will be the pencil is, yes, 36. All right, 36. So let's get started. All right. Let me count. Three. Yeah. Let me pick a good number. How about a 5? 1, 2, 3, 4 5s. Can I do something with the 4 5 7s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 7s. Yeah, how about the 7? I start 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for a 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So on the row below, the only place for a 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So on the column next, only place for a 7 should be here, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1. All right. How about the number 8? We have an 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, oh, we already have an 8 here. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only place for an 8 should be here. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place for an 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright. How about let me see. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place for 5 should be there. Then. in this big square. Wait. In the first column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here also a 5, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, or there. We see here 5, we see there 5, so no 5 in those two boxes. One box left for the 5. Should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 5. Yes. How about the 3? 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle, a row, so on the row above. The only place for 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so on the row between. Only 2 places for 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 3. How about the 5 now? 5. No. 5 I cannot continue. Yeah. The 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes there. 1 number left in this middle column for the number 5. No, 5 we have. 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 9 and the 4. We have there a 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so in the row between. Only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so in the middle row. The only place for 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so in the last column. The only place for a 4 should be here, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 1 in this column, third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, only place for a 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, only place for a 1 should be here. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 4. 1 number left in the last column for the number 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, only place for a 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, so no 6s in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and all the 6s are used. I can see, yes. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. I cannot fill this yet and need to wait. Let me mark those for you. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 5 and the 9. We have there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. One number left in the first column for the number 9. One number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One number left in the second row for the number 2. One number left in the third row for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. We have there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 2. Finish in 10 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku Light. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. A Sudoku heavy it will be. So, see you later. Bye-bye for now.